In today's rapidly evolving world, engineering innovation stands at the center of solving pressing challenges, ranging from energy efficiency and sustainability to modern mobility. Yet, a gap still exists between what we learn in classrooms and what is required to solve real-world engineering problems. We understand the theories, but without the opportunity to apply them in complex, high-pressure environments, those ideas often remain untested. This is where Formula Student, especially Formula Student Malaysia, becomes more than just a competition. It becomes a platform where we bridge that gap. Here, we transform theory into practice by designing, building, and validating a formula-style race cars under real engineering constraints. Through this process, we learn to solve multidisciplinary problems, manage resources, and perform at a professional level. To bring this vision to life, we are structured into three main technical divisions. First is mechanical, second is electrical, and third is chassis and aerodynamics. Mechanical focus on powertrain, suspension, and braking systems. Electrical develops control system, wiring, and data acquisition, while chassis and aerodynamics ensure structural integrity and optimize airflow. Each division carries its own responsibility, yet we continuously collaborate to integrate every system into a single competitive vehicle. This collaboration comes alive every night, where our work truly takes shape. We gather to review progress, troubleshoot challenges, and refine our designs, testing, iterating, and improving every detail. These moments define our journey as we turn ideas into reality and steadily bring our car to life, not just as a machine, but as a reflection of our growth as engineers.
Within the intense environment of Formula Student Malaysia, the mechanical division stands at the heart of performance. Every component we design, whether it is the drivetrains, suspension, or braking system, carries a single purpose: to translate engineering precision into speed, control, and reliability on the track. Its movement of the car reflects countless hours of the calculations, testing, and refinement. Behind the scenes, our team works through challenges that demand both technical mastery and resilience. Failures become lessons, and improvements are made step by step. In this division, students are not only building machines, we are shaping our ability to think critically and adapt quickly and engineer solutions under real-world pressure.
As the core of an FSI car in the chassis and aerodynamics division is not only about the building parts, but also showing the trade-off between safety, weight, and performance. The chassis must be strong enough to protect the driver, yet light enough to keep the car efficient and competitive. At the same time, aerodynamics elements are designed not just to reduce the drag, but also generate downforce and improve stability, especially during the high-speed section and cornering. What makes this division challenging is that every design decision affects something else. A stronger structure may add weight, while more aerodynamic load may increase the complexity and resistance. Because of that, this division requires careful analysis, testing, and constant refinement. Through this process, students learn that good engineering is not just about making design work, but about making it work efficiently under real competitive demands.
Powering the intelligence of the car is the electrical division. Often unseen but essential, this team builds the system that control, monitor, and connect the entire vehicle. At the core of the work is the powertrain, where the energy storage system and tractive system manage how the car produces and delivers power. At the same time, data acquisition system collect real-time data from sensors across the car, helping the team understand how the car is performing. Together, this system keeps everything running smoothly through a balance of power, control, and data. This division works in a high-pressure environment, where even small mistake can have a serious impact. Through this experience, students gain hands-on insight into modern automotive technology, preparing them for a future driven by electrification and smart systems.
In the end, Formula Student Malaysia is not merely about building a race car. It is about building the people behind it. What begins as an idea slowly takes shape through long nights in the workshop, where every failed test, every setback, and every small breakthrough becomes part of something greater. And here, that knowledge is no longer just understood, but lived transformed into real experience, into something tangible we can see, hear, and feel. Beyond the competition, what remains is not only the machine we create, but the growth within each of us. We learn to collaborate when challenge feels overwhelming, to adapt when plans fall apart, and to persist when the outcome is uncertain. Every decision, every iteration, and every moment under pressure shapes us into engineers, innovators, and problem solvers. And when the systems finally power down and the competition comes to an end, the journey doesn't end, because what we have built goes far beyond performance in competition. It lives on in the skill we carry, the mindset we've developed, and the resilience we've earned. In Formula Student, the true achievement is not only measured by the car we build, but by the people we become, ready to take on the challenge of the real world.
Yacaranda,